2000 Nissan Frontier V6. Still got the stock converters on the manifold right there and right there. Then it wires into a single right there. Then what we did is a Flowmaster Super 10 instead of the stock muffler, and a 3-inch tip right there. Let you guys hear it in a second. That is a Super 10 right there. Flowmaster. There's the old muffler that we took off. It's an SCV6 Super Crew. Not too loud, just perfect. Yeah.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream